Wednesday, May 13th, and I couldn't make it out yesterday. I was a little under the weather, and these guys progressed to wherever they were doing yesterday. I don't think Aidan showed up until early afternoon, so they're doing what they're doing. Right now, Aidan is on, looks like he's working on the escape hatch right up here. Probably grinding out some of the old rust and whatnot. And they're continuing the sanding process here. Hello, Aidan. Yeah, he's definitely working on the escape hatch there. They, as you can see, they got more of the side ground off here. So when they're working on doing the painting, that they can get at it. And you can see what Aidan's doing here.
This here is just a rough bed.
Okay.
This all gets sanded and then a paint over top of everything.
Okay.
And he's just cleaning up there now because he cut all the insulations.
Oh wow. Okay.
They
Yeah.
gotta be glued in yet.
Okay.
And then we're going to put just a light post is all you need.
So
And
when
then,
Aidan took that off, it was full of dead mice before.
Yeah, it's all cleaned up. And we got plywood for the floor yesterday,
Okay.
and plywood for the roof,
Okay.
and the tin for the front.
Okay. So that's probably the last of his metal order there. And
We got one more small order.
so-
Just
what's the plan with the roof? You're just gonna put start here and go all the way to the front, or yeah?
yeah.
Okay.
And
So it's because of all those big chunks that are missing there, guys.
no, that all gets sanded and full
Okay.
of filled with kitty hair.
Okay.
It's gotta be buffed up until it's shiny.
Okay, so I'm maybe I'm a little confused here. What are we using the tin for on the roof then,
No,
or on the inside?
tin for that back door
Okay.
and tin for here.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
For
Yeah.
the front door.
Okay, I thought you said it was for the
And
roof.
and 3/4 inch plywood goes on top of here,
Yeah.
plus the floor.
Okay.
Show them the chunk here made for Phil. Come here for that, bro.
So we have to,
If you come here, then you'll
Okay.
put it up into place.
we need something to attach our ceiling material to around the door.
Yeah.
Like the ceiling will come up to here and sit in here.
Yeah.
With thin plywood.
Okay.
But then around the hatch, I had to make a couple pieces that are notched so that they can bend.
Yeah.
So that when you glue it in,
That's smart. Yeah.
it'll conform to that shape, and then you need a taper
Yeah.
for your plywood to come into.
Okay. So you're always inventing new ways of getting it done.
No, that's the way we always done.
Okay.
Nothing new.
Nothing new for you.
Not yet.
Okay. So that's what these guys are doing here, and
We're hoping to, when I get back, get all these motors out and covered and get cleaned up. And
Bless your heart.
This has to go outside.
okay. So by the motors, Dad's referring to this motor, that motor.
7 of them.
There's another motor over there. I think another one tucked in. There's 2 over here, 3 over here. So there's 7 that we know of. I bet you we find another one.
Shit in there. It's
So
all going to be chipped out and wire wheeled good.
Yeah.
so
motor there.
that's what they're going to do. The dogs are spending more time here because it's most of the snow is gone. There's still the odd little pile of snow here. We had a couple good. I see we got that big pile of snow right there, but we had there's a couple of motors over there too that we got to your roof. They now with the doors open, they can come and go as they please with the dogs, and call those customers that own that. Still got to get some payments off them. They're still working on stuff out here. That diff is all covered up. Dad's got to go on a medical for a couple of days, so he's out of town, and so it's going to be pretty quiet around the shop. So I'm just going to come out at probably a little before noon and feed the animals. But we got to get all this shit out of here. We're tripping on it, and Dad doesn't know what he wants to do with all the crap, and I want to get rid of it, and I want to get all that shit back there stored away and put away for whatever we don't need. Gives them some more space. But yeah, that's what these guys are up to here today, and so it's just a kind of a quiet but busy May day here. Hey, Mila? Oh yeah, just love the shop. Those were broke off, yeah.
So I need new ones.
Okay.
Or one new one. I gotta make another one. This is a lot heavier metal.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna gusset in here to here.
Okay.
And he's away.
Okay.
But whatever we ordered, we needed, eh?
Yeah.
Because I gotta put wheels on this thing to get it
Okay.
out, eh?
I can also take vacation time and drive down the highway if it's that important.
No.
Okay.
We got lots of shit to do.
Okay. My pecker-headed dogs. Everybody's enjoying the sunbeams right now. So we're all good. Little dog with a big dog bone in the big dog house.